from our experience that it's really, really important to build a company upon a solid science, very, very solid science, and very strong team.
May is Asian and Pacific American Heritage Month, and joining me with more here on the floor of the stock exchange to talk about that awareness and celebration, as well as what his company is up to, is a co-founder and CEO of Z-Star Therapeutics, Lihua Zheng. Lihua, thank you so much for joining.
Thank you. Great to be here.
Fabulous to have you at the stock exchange. What can you tell us about the state of your business?
Sure. So we are working on a novel therapeutics for pancreatic cancer. So pancreatic cancer is one of the deadliest cancer, and in the U.S. alone, each year, more than 66,000 people were diagnosed with pancreatic cancer, and sadly, more than 51,000 people cannot survive. And all over the world, there are actually more than 500,000 new patients for each year. And at diagnosis, many of these patients are actually at very late stage. It's very hard for them to survive for more than 5 years. Actually, the 5-year survival rate is in the single digits. And we are actually trying to change that. Our goal is to provide an option for these patients. So we use a new therapeutics modality, which actually brings the immune cells to the cancer cells. So just think of it as a matchmaker. It matches the immune cells with cancer and then target the cancer cells specifically. And what's more exciting is this treatment has been tested in a population of patients in a phase 1 clinical trial. And the data actually is quite exciting. We saw very meaningful tumor shrinkage in some of those patients. So really, we feel it's a top of therapeutics that can potentially make a difference for these patients.
What is the differentiator, Lihua, with your particular company and the T-cell engager that you just spoke about?
Sure. So this T-cell engager is specially designed to overcome the challenges that pancreatic cancer patients face. All existing treatment, they face two main challenges. One is the pancreatic cancer usually are very, very dense. It's wrapped in a very, very hard envelope. So drugs has a very, very hard time to enter this tumor tissue. The second challenge is that pancreatic cancer is very good at resisting the treatment. Even some drugs can enter the tissue cell. These drugs these cancer cells can evade, can escape this kind of treatment, and can still survive. So these are the main challenges. And our approach is very, very unique because it just really can tackle this very tough disease with very unique features. So for on the one side, the T-cell engager can actively pull and bring immune cells to the cancer cells. So that can turn very cold pancreatic cancer into hot pancreatic cancer. So meaning there are active immune systems within the cancer tissue. And the second feature of this approach is that we really activate our own immune system rather than just poison the cancer cell, deliver drug and then poison the cancer cells. We activate our own immune system and make the immune system recognize the cancer cells and can kill the cancer cells. So that can make it more durable, theoretically, and also more targeted with less risk, side effects.
I see here, Lihua, that you co-founded Therapeutics, which merged into NYSE-listed company NUVB just last year. What did you learn from that, and how has it shaped what you're doing now?
Sure. Therapeutics, it's a very good journey. We collaborated or partnered with one of the top Japanese pharma company called Daiichi Sankyo, and they developed a lung cancer drug. We were pretty successful in developing that drug. We received breakthrough therapy designation from FDA, and with those data, we were successfully raised $100 million in equity financing and completed the trials. And we expect the drug to be approved next month by FDA. So we finger crossed for that. And so we learned from our experience that it's really, really important to build a company upon a solid science, very, very solid science, and very strong team, and to find the right partnership. So I think that's what we did and what we learned from the experience. I'm going to bring this experience, bring what we learned to our new company, and hopefully we can advance this exciting pancreatic cancer program into later clinical development and approval, and hopefully bring hope for patients.
Yeah. Lihua, you're definitely bringing hope today here to the stock exchange, so thank you so much, including for the hard work that you've been doing on this particular matter. I want to ask you, as we celebrate AAPI, how has your journey as an Asian American biotech founder shaped your work?
Sure. So so I came to the United States 24 years ago as a graduate student with nothing, maybe $100 in my pocket, and I was so fortunate and appreciate that I had the chance, the opportunity to study in the United States in a grad school, and later as a New Yorker, I came to New York City in 2006. So first at the Columbia University Medical Center for a postdoc research, and later I practiced law in a law firm for about 10 years. So it's so exciting to really move forward to create something for patient and be close to patient, create drug new therapeutics. So I was so fortunate to be one of the founding member of Therapeutics in 2018. And we really leverage the Asian American, the culture, and I think being humble and also being persevere, and really to move forward with very, very challenging work in drug development, because it takes a village, it takes a whole team really to get things done. And I think that culture certainly helps for us to succeed in this very tough industry. And I think, as you know, the Asian American community is pretty strong in the biotech space. We have all these talents there trying to help patients all over the world. And also we have a unique position, naturally we have a bridge. We can serve as a bridge between the US biotech and also Asian American biotech, and try to bring them together, work together to create something exciting for patients all over the world.
Lihua, we so appreciate you taking the time to join us here at the New York Stock Exchange. It's been incredible to be a part of your journey, and we hope to see you again soon.
Thank you, Christine.
Lihua Zheng joining us here at the New York Stock Exchange, co-founder and CEO of Therapeutics.
Thank you.